Welcome to a 360 and 3D experience. As you can see here, we're preparing for you an amazing experience. So in refractive surgery, you can see the pre-op and then you can see the experience with the refractive suite. In September 2021, mostly based for Asia, we're going to be waiting for you for the second virtual refractive summit. Ophthalmo University and the Alcon Experience Academy are trying to give you the best experience ever so you can rise your game. As you can see, the hashtag is lift as you climb. We all want to rise our practices together. We're going to have 4 events: the clinic, the techniques, patient, and the future. Stay in touch and stay tuned because in September we're going to have the best experience ever.